Hi, my name is Derly Edith Rivera Charri. How are you today? Very good. Today we practice animal description. The lion. The lion. The lion is social animal and light. In fact, they are very long, with very long teeth, and their height is like the sun. The elephant. The elephant has a large size and a very long trunk. The elephant's sky is round and very gross. Chickens are yellow. They hide and low to a crown. They say pio pio pio. They like to eat grass, and when they are weak, they eat. Cows. Cows have robust and muscular body. Cows love to eat grass. Cows are with a black spot, and cows are food for people. The dog. The dog is pet. Dog like to play, run, jump, and beat. Dogs like to be beach pupil. The dogs are land, medium, age small. The cat. The cat, they are pet. They do not like to play, jump, and run. They love to sleep and eat. The cat, there are many breeds of cats in the world. The rabbit. The rabbits are white. They like to eat carrot. Rabbits have a very short life. Rabbits are food for people. Giraffe. Giraffe are the biggest animal in the world. Giraffe have very long necks. Giraffes are not pets. Giraffes are not food people. Bye bye. Bye, teacher.